Hello and welcome.
I'm Obaidullah Obaid, the founder of XpartCreative, where creativity meets technology. At XpartCreative, we bring ideas to life through powerful visuals, smart digital tools, and professional storytelling. We help brands grow creatively, visually, and digitally. Maya, introduce our services.
Our first service is graphic design. We design logos, brand identities, social media kits, posters, and marketing materials, all tailored to fit your message and connect with your audience. Your brand deserves to stand out, and we make sure it does. We also build websites, but not just any websites. Using AI website builders, we create smart, responsive, no-code websites that are clean, modern, and easy to use. Whether you're launching a product, growing a business, or building a personal brand, we've got your online presence covered. And finally, video editing. From short reels and social ads to full promotional videos, we craft professional edits that tell your story with motion and meaning. We handle everything from cutting to color grading, effects, and audio to deliver content that truly connects. At XpartCreative, we're not just designers or developers. We're creative partners who help you grow. Let's build your brand together, with purpose, with passion, and with impact. This is XpartCreative.